Macy! What do I do first? It says solve for x on the interval between 0 to 2 pi, cosine squared x plus 2 cosine x plus 1.
Make it like separate x plus 1.
So cosine, you factored, right? Cosine x plus 1 and cosine x plus 1. And you're saying set that equal to 0?
Yeah.
Okay, Macy, keep going.
Subtract 1.
Yes.
Cosine x -1.
Correct. Yeah. Yes. Now what?
Cosine -1 equals, parentheses -1 equals x.
Correct. Where is cosine -1 on my unit circle?
I don't know.
Let me help you. Is it a quadrantal angle or a special right triangle? Quadrantal angle is correct. How did you know quadrantal, not a special right triangle?
I don't know, I guess.
If this was a fraction like radical 2 over 2, negative 1/2, radical 3 over 2, does that make sense? It would be one of these ordered pairs. And if it's not, if it's between the yellows, it's a special right triangle. 30, 60, 45s. And you knew it's a quadrantal. Okay, what color is a quadrantal on here? Yellow is correct. Where is cosine -1?
Pi, right?
Correct. Raise your hand if you got pi. Now, think about this, class. Do you want to do the same problem over again?
No.
No. So, really, you could have written the problem like this. Cosine x plus 1 squared. Yes? And then you could have solved by the square root method. So our only answer is pi. Let me prove to you why. What does this mean? Let's do a fun side problem. Cosine x squared plus 2 cosine x plus 1 equals 0. Cosine of pi squared plus 2 times cosine of pi plus 1 equals 0. You were just there on the unit circle. Class, what is cosine of pi? What is it? -1. So -1 squared plus 2 times -1 plus 1 equals 0. -1 squared is 2 times -1. 1 minus 2 is -1 plus 1 is 0. That means this is actually a solution. You can actually put it in and it will equal 0. So factor, set it equal to 0, look on your unit circle, and you have your answers.